Firecracker $1,000 charity lip sync competition. Absolutely love this event. It is the highlight of my year. It is so much fun to come out here to Mesquite. We always have so much fun here. It should be illegal, and I should know. I'm from Utah, where fun really is illegal. So that's how I know this place is absolutely great. I know that the flyer said 21 and older, but boy, did you take the and older part to heart. I love it. I fit in here. I love being in a room with other people who know who Neil Diamond is. Yeah! Oh, so tonight it is a battle royale. You know how this works. We got 9 groups that will battle it out for the top prize of $1,000 in 2 separate categories this year. 2 groups are going to be winning the big old prize, plus the $500 prize for fan favorite. And you're going to be voting for that at the end. Make sure that you vote for that, and that will be announced on Facebook later on this week as we tally up those votes. You can circle that vote, but what we really want is you to just punch a hole right in that thing. Right on the wall. I mean, like, aggressively vote for your favorites. To the point where we don't have one of those like George Bush, Al Gore counting thing ever again. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you got that joke. Oh my gosh, I love being around people over 40. All right. Oh, it feels so good. I'm on a top 40 radio station in Utah. So like, you know, if it's anything older than Taylor Swift, they're like, the hits. Anyway, so new this year, to make the competition fair for all of our fabulous contestants, the top prizes will be awarded in the 2 different categories. Like I said, we got the mini groups of 4 or less participants, and then in the second half of the show, we've got the major groups, 5+ participants. Now, we have this lovely panel of judges right up front here. Give it up for our judges. We have a wide array of different judges, and they all do different things, and we've even got a couple of hairdressers, because when you think judgy, you think hairdresser. And that's what we need here in Mesquite. There you go. So, the competition is going to be judged by these judgy people in a few different categories. One of them, lip sync abilities. They want to see how well these people are lip syncing, if they know the words or if they are just drunk. Also, the creativity, audience drunk, fun. Performer drunk, not so much. Creativity, they want to see how creative it was. Were they moving around? Maybe the costumes were creative. They want to see the stage presence and the choreography, smiles, and all of that kind of stuff. Also, but most importantly, the overall enjoyment. They want to have fun. And you guys want to have fun too, right? That's what we're all about. So, let's get going. Here we go. First up to the stage, competing for $1,000, it is Mesquite Works STEAM Center. Their mission is to nurture and prepare the young minds of today for the challenges and opportunities of the future. They believe that the key to unlocking a brighter future lies in developing the 4 C's: creativity,